Guess the riddle by looking at the picture. Who will die? Is it person 1 or person 2? Please observe the picture carefully. This is a riddle that 99% of people don't know the answer to. It tests your observation and logical thinking abilities. But if you see the correct answer I reveal at the end of the video, you'll surely exclaim, "Damn, why didn't I think of that?" This is the fun of guessing riddles. Next, you have 10 seconds. I hope you can guess correctly. The rule is that you can't cheat or look at the comments section in advance. Otherwise, you'll fail. Now, get ready to start the challenge. Start timing.
Okay, time's up. Now I'm going to announce the correct answer. The woman numbered 2 will die. Do you know why? Look here. There are 2 holes in her inflatable cushion, and it's leaking air. So she will soon fall into the sea and become food for the sharks.
Guess the riddle by looking at the picture. Who is the criminal? Is it number 1 or number 2? This is a very difficult visual riddle that tests your logical thinking ability. If I don't tell the answer, 99% of people will guess wrong. But if you can watch until the end of the video when I reveal the correct answer, you'll surely have an epiphany that the answer is so simple. I'd say this is the fun of riddled. Guess. Next, you have 10 seconds. I hope you can guess correctly. The rule is no cheating or peeking at the comment section in advance, otherwise you'll fail the challenge. Now get ready to start the challenge. Start timing.
Okay, time's up. Now I'm going to announce the correct answer. The woman numbered 1 is the criminal. Do you know why? Look here. There is a crime plan reported on this sticky note. So, did you guess right?
Which one is the married pregnant woman? Is it number 1, number 2, or number 3? This is a very simple visual riddle. I don't think anyone will get it wrong. It's just a simple test of your observation skills. If you get this question wrong, you might need to take care of your brain. But if someone really doesn't know the correct answer, I can guarantee that when you see the answer at the end of the video, you'll exclaim, "Damn, it's so easy." Next, you'll have 10 seconds to observe. The countdown starts. Okay, time's up. No cheating. Now, I'll reveal the correct answer. Pregnant woman number 2 is Mary. Do you know why? Look here, the wedding ring. That's right, this is the evidence of her being married. So, did you get it right? Congratulations to those who got it right. Your brains are in good condition. Please continue to challenge the next riddle. Okay, if you think of the first 3, congratulations from me. Subscribe us to watch videos like this. I will give you 5 seconds to subscribe us and like the video. Who's the richest? Is it number 1, number 2, or number 3? This seems to be a very difficult visual riddle. It tests your logical thinking ability. You need to carefully observe some details in the picture to find the answer. Otherwise, you may guess wrong. But I want to tell you that this riddle is actually quite simple. If you answer incorrectly or don't know the answer, I guess you haven't used your brain for a long time. Just kidding, but let's stop beating around the bush. Now, let's start the test. As usual, you have 10 seconds to observe. Start timing now. Okay, time's up. No cheating. Now, I'll reveal the correct answer. The richest person is number 1. Do you know why? Look here. He's holding organic food. What does this indicate? It shows that a real wealthy person cares about health because no amount of money can buy health, so he is the richest. Do you agree? Who is the real mermaid? Is it number 1, number 2, or number 3? This appears to be a very challenging visual riddle. It assesses your observation and logical thinking skills. Without me revealing the answer, I'm sure 99% of people will get it wrong. But if you're a genius, Come and prove your intelligence by taking this test right away. If you're not so sharp, then you need to closely observe the picture above and think carefully. You only have 10 seconds. I hope you can guess correctly. The rule is no cheating. Otherwise, you'll be considered to have failed. Now, get ready to start the challenge. Start timing.
Okay, time's up. Now I'm going to announce the correct answer. Number 2 is the real mermaid. Do you know why? Look here, only her fish scales and tail are naturally integrated. The other two are just wearing mermaid costumes. So, did you guess right?
Today's problems are over. I will give you one question at the end. Leave a comment with the right answer. Who is an imposter? Thanks for watching the entire video. Leave a like on the video and keep us subscribed. Thank you. I will give the answer to this in the next video.